So I just downloaded a copy of the Starry Night Celestron software. It came with one of these telescopes. It's actually pretty cool. So like right now, it's just kind of like showing, what it would look like if, um, you were observing over a period of time. Show you, the rotation and, all that good stuff. So, and still see it down here, which is kind of cool. And then it shows all these Starlink things going by, which is interesting. Um, I have kind of just been looking at, like the tour part of it. Some interesting software. So basically, it will map out a lot of stuff for you. Let's see what it's got now. So basically, I don't know why it says Canada, but it will show you where to find stuff and comments. Your virtual telescope. So it's pretty cool. See, you can learn a bunch of stuff, like when you have times where you can't see anything. I think that's kind of cool. Asteroid. No, okay, so it shows all these different ones. Interesting. So if you guys buy Celestron telescope, I think most of them come with this. So it's something worth checking out, I guess. What is this? Are these the sun? So thought maybe it was showing sunspots. It looks like really good software. It was actually pretty large. Stonehenge. Pretty large download file, like 1.5 gigabytes. So it's not really a small file. I had to clear out a bunch of space on my laptop to try and get it on here because I have just a little, like, small laptop for portability. Anyway, I thought I'd share this with you guys really quick. It's pretty cool stuff.